Hello everyone, this is Chris with BackLinks Genie. This video is going to show you how to use campaign management to set up projects in the Genie. First, you should know that Java has to be enabled on your computer or none of the functions of campaign management will work. Before you proceed to campaign management, you must first set up a client. You can find a video for setting up a new client in the Help tab of your control panel. It takes seconds to set up a client with the new control panel. Once the client is set up, you can proceed to campaign management, and this video will walk you through the process. When you're using the Genie to build projects, you will rely heavily on campaign management. Campaign management will allow you to do the following things. Input a master list of URLs for a specific client. Input a master list of keywords for a specific client. Select how you want projects to be built, either in express mode or advanced setup. Select the URLs and keywords you want used in a project. Select what projects you would like to run. Choose whether you want to input your own articles or have the system scrape them for you. Select the article you want to use in your projects. You can do all of this and more. Campaign management is very easy to use once you get accustomed to how everything works. This video will walk you through the entire process. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, log into your control panel. In the upper left-hand corner, you will see the section called Campaign Management. You will then click on Add New Campaign. You will then be directed to this screen. I have pre-populated some of the boxes. Let's get started by clicking on the Campaign tab. First, enter a name for this campaign. In this field, you cannot use any characters including numbers, commas, or periods. No characters at all. Next, select your client from the drop-down box. Under the Client drop-down box is a checkbox called Associate URLs. If you check this button, you enter URLs and keywords in the format of the example. This allows you to tie a specific URL to a specific keyword. If this box is not checked, the system will randomly choose between the URLs and keywords you enter into the next two boxes. If you select the Associate button, the bottom keyword box goes away and you just input your information in the URLs box. In the URLs box, you will enter all of the URLs that you want to use to build your projects for this specific client. You can manually enter these, or you can copy and paste them in the box. Each URL must be on a separate line. All URLs must have the HTTP format like the example. Next, you'll enter all of the keywords that you want to use for the project for this client. Again, you can manually enter them or copy and paste them into the box. If you're looking for more keyword opportunities, you can use the Anchor List Generator tool. We're going to look at this further in a separate video. Now we are going to take a few minutes and discuss building BLAST projects in the Genie. Let's look at Express Mode for BLAST projects. Check the box under Express Mode Active, yes. First, you have to understand how Express Mode works. If you have Express Mode activated, the system will randomly choose between the project types that you tell it to run. The system will check your schedule, and if you do not have projects manually scheduled, it will randomly choose a project that you have selected and automatically run it. Certain projects may or may not be available to you depending on the type of Genie account you have. If a project is not available to you, it will say Premium Only. You can select and build these project types, but they will not run. If you choose to build a combination of BLAST, social, and content all in one project, that is fine. For the purpose of this video, we are focusing just on BLAST projects. When you build non-content related projects, you can just ignore any content related fields. Let's check off all of the BLAST projects we want to run for this project. Now just hit the Submit Campaign button, and this Express Mode project is now in the rotation.